In this video, we'll take a quick tour of our high-capacity water and ice dispenser with hot water, the exciting 96016. The 96016 produces an impressive 165 pounds of high-quality chewable Nugget ice daily, with onboard storage for up to 16 pounds of ice. At the same time, it provides an abundant supply of freshly filtered ambient and hot drinking water. A complete range of state-of-the-art features, freestanding and countertop versions, and high-end design make the 96016 an attractive addition to any workplace location, break room, kitchen, or hallway. This model is designed for hospitals, clubs, education establishments, and large workplaces where higher volumes require higher performance. The 96016 is available as a compact space-saving countertop model, the 96516, that fits under most cabinets. Let's look at some of the 96016 state-of-the-art features in more detail. One key advantage of the 96016 is that we maintain and take care of it for you. Hygiene is more important now than ever. Advanced surface protection keeps the 96016 surface clean and hygienic no matter how many users you have. The 96016 also has optional dual pedal dispensing and a hot water safety feature. And it offers peace of mind with in-tank UV to maintain water cleanliness. The 96016 is easy to use and hygienic, especially in shared spaces. And when it comes to performance, the 96016 is outstanding. Culligan Quench's advanced water filtration produces great-tasting water and ice and features an air filter and ice chute door to maintain sanitary ice dispensing, eliminating bacteria growth worries. With up to 165 pounds of chewable compressed Nugget ice per day and onboard storage for up to 16 pounds of ice, there's plenty of ice for the whole office, even those ice munchers. With a single dispensing spout for ambient and hot drinking water, the 96016 is 3 machines in one. An ice dispenser with all-day ice for everyone, a hot water dispenser that keeps your tea drinkers happy, and an ambient water supply that's perfect for hydrating your entire office. With optional drainless technology for easy and practical installation and leak detection technology to keep spills and mess to a minimum, the 96016 offers peace of mind. The large 11-inch dispense height is perfect for large mugs and glasses. At 51.5 inches high, the freestanding model is the perfect height for easy, no-bend dispensing. Its small 14.1-inch by 23.75-inch footprint lets you fit it almost anywhere that there's a power and water source nearby. The 96016 is available as both a compact freestanding model and as the 96516, a countertop model. Water and ice up with the 96016. To find out more, call your Culligan Quench water expert or visit CulliganQuench.com.